Namaste, I'm Siddhi Pranam. Welcome to today's topic, which is significance of Yoga Nidra during pregnancy. So, Yoga Nidra, as we discussed earlier, that is commonly referred as yogic sleep, and it's a simplified version of an ancient tantric relaxation technique. And at its core, the practice combines guided mental imagery with specific yoga postures known as Shavasana. So the goal of Yoga Nidra is to promote a profound state of relaxation, and it differs from sleep in a manner that there is still an awareness of one's surrounding. So Yoga Nidra's primary objective is to achieve complete relaxation. And the calm inner stillness that is induced by Yoga Nidra is claimed by the practitioner to be an effective stress management tool, as well as a means to attain greater receptivity to personal resolutions. And these resolutions or sankalpas can range from goal of achieving self-transformation, enhancing creativity, or improving one's learning ability, whatever is desired through the sankalpa or the resolve. Additionally, Yoga Nidra is really believed to promote beneficial changes in physiological and mental health. There have been a lot of clinical studies that have shown that Yoga Nidra is associated with positive physiological changes, and it includes improvements in several hematological variables like red blood cells count, blood glucose levels, and also hormonal status. So 2 neuroimaging studies have demonstrated that Yoga Nidra produces changes in endogenous dopamine release as well as cerebral blood flow, confirming that its effects on the central nervous systems are objectively measurable and very, very positive. So the practice has also been shown to reduce psychometrically measured indices of mild depression and anxiety. However, these benefits were not observed in an experimental studies, but otherwise they have been documented in different set of settings that Yoga Nidra does help in reducing severe depression or severe anxiety. So Yoga Nidra in pregnancy. Pregnancy, as we all know, is a very critical time in a woman's life, which brings physiological and psychological changes. And among these changes, sleep patterns and the sleep qualities plays a very crucial role in supporting the health and well-being of both mom and the baby. And adequate sleep during pregnancy is very essential for the health and well-being of mom and the baby. So during pregnancy, the significance of Yoga Nidra becomes even more pronounced as it directly impacts both the mother and the baby. So Yoga Nidra is a form of guided meditation and relaxation that can promote deep physical, mental, and emotional relaxation. And that's why it holds great significance during this time of pregnancy, as it impacts the physical, emotional, and cognitive aspects of the mother's life. And it can really help the mother in different ways. And one is by reducing stress, as it can reduce both physical and emotional stress. Yoga Nidra usually activates the relaxation response in the body and hence reducing the level of cortisol, which is the stress hormone. And this in turn further promotes a sense of calmness and emotional well-being and reduces the anxiety and tension during pregnancy. Now, Yoga Nidra also activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which is parasympathetic nervous system is usually responsible for the body's rest and digest response. And when the parasympathetic nervous system is activated, it counteracts the fight or flight response of the sympathetic nervous system, and then thus reducing the stress hormones like cortisol or adrenaline. And this activation promotes the state of calm and relaxation and allows the body to recover from traumas or stress and promotes overall well-being. And then releasing of muscle tension. So during pregnancy, the changes in the hormone levels increases the weight of the growing uterus, and this also leads to muscle tension and discomfort. So Yoga Nidra really encourages progressive muscle relaxation. The PMR method is part and parcel of the Yoga Nidra technique. So practitioners can systematically tense and release various muscle groups, and this process helps the mothers to become more aware of the areas of tension and consciously release the tightness in particular body parts. So hence this promotes physical relaxation and also reduce stress in specific body areas. And then it also helps regulate the breathing. So Yoga Nidra emphasizes on conscious and rhythmatic breathing. Deep, slow, and controlled breathing pattern engages the diaphragm and activates the body's relaxation response. So as the mother focuses on her breath during Yoga Nidra, she can shift away the anxious thought and center her attention on the present moment, which in turn promotes relaxation further and reduces stress and induced calmness. Then it also allows her to redirect her attention from anxious thoughts. So the guided meditation aspect of Yoga Nidra directs the mind's focus away from stressors and anxiety. And as the mother follows the verbal instruction during the practice, her attention is drawn to positive and calming images, sensations, or affirmation. And this redirection of attention really helps shift the mind away from stress-inducing thoughts and promoting mental relaxation and reducing the impact of stress during pregnancy. And Yoga Nidra also facilitates emotional release. So since pregnancy invokes a range of emotions, and unresolved emotions can contribute to a lot of stress, so Yoga Nidra provides a very safe and supportive space for emotional release and processing. By connecting with their inner experiences during the practice, mothers can release pent-up emotions, which will create space for emotional healing and reducing stress. It also enhances the body-mind connection. So Yoga Nidra fosters a very deep body-mind connections and allows the mother to become more attuned to her physical and emotional needs. And this heightened awareness enables her to recognize the sign of stress and tension in her body and address them proactively. And by cultivating self-awareness, Yoga Nidra empowers the mothers to take charge of their well-being and make conscious choices to reduce stress. It also promotes intention and strengthens the intention setting. So at the beginning or the end of the Yoga Nidra practice, mothers are often asked to set a sankalpa or intention, an intention or an affirmation that aligns with their true desires and values. And this positive affirmation can help rewire their subconscious mind and foster their positive mindset. And by nurturing positive intention during Yoga Nidra, mother can cultivate resilience to stress and develop more optimistic outlook on their pregnancy journey. And then, of course, it improves sleep quality. So sleep disturbances are very common during pregnancy. Fatigue and sleep disturbances are common discomfort that occurs especially during third trimesters. So Yoga Nidra can really help elevate that insomnia and promote better sleep quality. Yoga Nidra is known for its ability to induce the state of profound relaxation, so it can be very beneficial in combating fatigue. So by promoting restorative rest, Yoga Nidra can help mothers to feel more refreshed and rejuvenated. And additionally, the guided meditation Yoga Nidra can help ease the mind, reduce the mental chatter, and also contribute to insomnia and thus promoting better sleep. Then bonding with the baby. So Yoga Nidra also includes visualization techniques that can allow the mother to connect with her baby and bond more deeply, and this can enhance the mother-child relationship and create a sense of emotional connection within between them. And this can also create mindful awareness of the baby. So Yoga Nidra also encourages the mothers to be fully present and aware of their bodies and sensations. And this heightened state of mindfulness can be extended to the awareness of baby's movements, kicks, and overall presence in the womb. And as the mother tunes into the sensation during the practice, she strengthens her awareness of baby's presence, which fosters a sense of connection and intimacy. Then visualization and imagination. So Yoga Nidra often incorporates guided visualization techniques where mothers are encouraged to create mental images of their unborn baby. And the visualization process, this visualization process allows the mothers to form clearer and more detailed picture of her baby even prior to birth. And as she envisions her child's form and features, the emotional bond between mother and baby is centered. Then is heart-centered awareness. So Yoga Nidra encourages heart-centered awareness, directing the focus and attention to the heart center. And this heart-focused awareness can enhance mother's ability to connect with her baby emotionally, and the practice may also evoke feelings of love, warmth, and tenderness, and creating a profound heart-to-heart connection with the baby. And then it also facilitates prenatal communication. So Yoga Nidra offers an opportunity where the mother can establish a nurturing and loving communication channel with her baby. So by directing positive thoughts and emotion towards the baby, mother can create an environment of love, safety, and security, which will foster a sense of being loved and welcomed by the baby. And then it also can help with hormonal balances, as Yoga Nidra helps balance the endocrine system and regulate hormonal functions. So this hormonal balance can contribute to overall improved mood and stability and emotional well-being. And then stress reduction is also part of it. So chronic stress during pregnancy does disrupt hormonal balance, and it potentially impacts the health of both mom and the baby. So Yoga Nidra is a very powerful relaxation practice that activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which is the body's natural relaxation response. So let's look at the influence of oxytocin. So oxytocin is often referred as love hormone or bonding hormone, which is crucial during pregnancy as it facilitates uterine contractions during labor, and it also supports maternal infant bonding after the birth. So the practice of Yoga Nidra encourages heart-centered awareness, as we discussed earlier. So hence creates feelings of love and connection. This further stimulates the release of oxytocin, which promotes emotional bonding between mom and the baby, and also prepares the mother's body for powerful, efficient labor. And also it supports overall maternal well-being. So Yoga Nidra can also help regulate the cortisol level, which is a stress hormone, and it plays role in various physiological processes that includes metabolism, immune response, and blood pressure regulation. So during pregnancy, cortisol levels do fluctuate, and chronic stress can lead to imbalance in cortisol production. So Yoga Nidra's relaxation techniques does help reduce the cortisol level and reduce the potential negative impacts or effects of excessive stress on the body. And then it also encourages the endorphin release. So Yoga Nidra can lead to release of endorphins, which are natural pain-relieving and mood-enhancing chemicals produced by the body. And endorphins can counteract stress hormones and promote sense of well-being. And then it also promotes and regulates thyroid health. So the thyroid gland plays a very crucial role in regulating metabolism and energy level, and hormonal changes during pregnancy can affect thyroid function, which leads to conditions like hyperthyroidism or hypothyroidism. And Yoga Nidra's calming effect can help regulate the body's stress response, which in turn can positively influence thyroid hormone levels and thyroid function. And then it does help reducing the physical discomfort. So as the pregnancy progresses, women may experience physical discomfort like back pain, pelvic pain, and swollen ankle or feet. Then Yoga Nidra's relaxation techniques does help reduce muscular tension and ease physical discomfort. So first would be back pain. So back pain is a very common complaint, often caused due to weight gain, etc. So Yoga Nidra really promotes that relaxation response which can elevate tension from the back muscles. Additionally, specific body scan techniques in Yoga Nidra enhances body awareness, which allows the mothers to identify the areas of tension in the back and allows them to consciously release and relax those muscles. And then pelvic discomfort. So pelvic discomfort is also very common during pregnancy due to hormonal changes and loosening of the ligaments. So Yoga Nidra does help in releasing tension in pelvic area through deep relaxation and conscious body awareness. And by focusing our breath and on the different parts of the body during the Yoga Nidra practice, mother can connect with her pelvic area and consciously relax the muscles and potentially reducing the discomfort. And it also promotes enhanced blood circulation. So certain Yoga Nidra practice incorporates breath awareness, which can improve blood circulation, and adequate blood flow to the uterus is really vital for the supporting the growing fetus or the baby inside the womb. So Yoga Nidra's relaxation techniques can include visualization and sankalpa or positive affirmations also. This further promotes an increased awareness of the uterus and its role during the pregnancy. So this heightened awareness may indirectly influence the blood flow to the uterus and contribute to the healthy intrauterine environment. And then it also allows the mothers to reduce pregnancy-related discomforts, which are very common, like nausea, morning sickness, headaches. So morning sickness and nausea are frequent occurrences during the early stage of pregnancy, and Yoga Nidra can help reduce stress and anxiety, which contributes to these symptoms. So the practice encourages this deep state of relaxation, potentially easing the intensity and the frequency of nausea episodes. And by calming the nervous system, Yoga Nidra does create more balanced and peaceful internal environment, which can further in turn reduce sensation of nausea. And then let's look at the impact on fetal circulatory system. So the benefits of improved maternal blood circulation also extend to the fetus or the baby. As the maternal blood circulation improves, as the maternal blood circulation improves, the placenta also receives more abundant supply of oxygen and nutrients, which are essential for baby's growth. So well oxygenated and nourished placenta fosters healthy fetal circulation, which further supports the overall well-being of the baby. And it also helps with lowering the blood pressure. High blood pressure during pregnancy, or also known as gestational hypertension, poses a lot of risk to both mom and the baby. And gestational hypertension or high blood pressure during pregnancy can have serious health implications. So continuous exposure to stress can result into hypertension. So Yoga Nidra comes as an aid here because its relaxation techniques reduces the stress levels and promotes a sense of calmness. And by calming the sympathetic nervous system and activating the parasympathetic nervous system, the practice of Yoga Nidra helps lower the blood pressure and support overall cardiovascular health. And then it also enhances the mind-body connection. So Yoga Nidra facilitates a stronger mind-body connection, and this awareness can help mothers to tune into their body and become more attuned to their baby's movement also, and be more mindful of their changes, physical and emotional needs that are changing constantly. And then it also can help in preparing for labor and delivery. So the relaxation techniques that are practiced in Yoga Nidra can really help prepare the mother for the challenges of labor and delivery. And by learning to remain calm and centered during the guided meditation, women can carry this mindset into the birthing process. And that can further lead to reduction in fear and anxiety. So labor and delivery is daunting, especially for the first-time mothers, and fear and anxiety can trigger the release of stress hormones, which leads to tension and discomfort during the childbirth. So Yoga Nidra's deep relaxation techniques and guided visualization can help the mothers to confront and release their fears surrounding the labor. And by promoting a sense of inner calm and peace, Yoga Nidra can alleviate anxiety and build confidence in the birthing process. So next is its role is in pain management. So Yoga Nidra really equips the mothers with tools for pain management during labor, and by cultivating the ability to relax deeply and stay present in the moment, women can better cope with the intensity of contractions. And also this practice teaches the techniques to redirect the mind away from the pain, so creating more positive experience for labor. And it can also help with visualizing positive birth. So during Yoga Nidra, mothers can engage in guided visualization of a positive and empowering birth experience, and then it can also further allow rest and restoration. So Yoga Nidra can also help mothers to conserve their energy and promote rest and restoration in preparation for labor. So by practicing deep relaxation regularly, mothers can enter the labor with well-rested body and mind, which can positively impact their endurance during the childbirth phase. It also offers emotional support. So pregnancy is an emotionally charged time with a lot of hormonal changes contributing to the mood swings. So this heightened self-awareness enables them to respond to their feelings with a lot more mindfulness and self-compassion. And recognizing and understanding their emotions empowers the mothers to navigate their emotional challenges with a lot of ease. And Yoga Nidra also fosters emotional stability and resilience, helping the mothers to navigate their emotional ups and downs with a lot of greater ease. And pregnant mothers can also use this opportunity to create affirmations that support emotional and well-being, as well as enhance positivity. And by repeating these affirmations during the practice, mothers can reinforce positive beliefs and foster emotional resilience as well as inner strength. And it also enhances acceptance and self-compassion. So pregnancy does bring a range of emotions, including joy, exhaustion, and feelings of vulnerability. And Yoga Nidra encourages self-acceptance and self-compassion, which allows the mother to embrace her emotional experiences without judgment. And this acceptance can lead to greater emotional stability and well-being. Yoga Nidra can also support with postpartum recovery. So the relaxation and stress reduction reducing response of Yoga Nidra can extend into postpartum period, which can aid in recovery and adjustment into new motherhood life. And it can also provide physical healing, because Yoga Nidra promotes deep relaxation, which is very essential for the body's healing process after the childbirth. So the practice can really support the mother's body's natural ability to recover from physical demands of labor and delivery. And by inducing a state of relaxation, Yoga Nidra can help reduce muscle tension, promote blood flow, and accelerate the healing of any postpartum discomfort or injuries. And it can during the time of postpartum period, it can also help with stress reduction. So postpartum periods can be very overwhelming emotionally, as well as physically taxing on the mothers. So sleep deprivation and hormonal fluctuation and new responsibilities of caring for a newborn can contribute to a lot of stress during this period. Hence, taking the small breaks for Yoga Nidra session can really contribute to reducing that stress. And then it can also promote restful sleep during the postpartum period. So sleep disruptions are very common to new mothers due to frequent feedings and baby's needs. So Yoga Nidra can be an effective tool to promoting restful sleep during the postpartum period. And the practice can help mothers find moments of deep relaxation and rest, even in short periods, which can be very rejuvenating and refreshing. And then it can also prevent postpartum depression. So Yoga Nidra's positive impact on stress reduction and emotional well-being can be very beneficial for preventing and managing postpartum depression. And by promoting relaxation and emotional balance, the practice can serve as a very complementary tool for supporting mental health during the postpartum period. So it can also be a time for self-care. So the postpartum period can be very challenging for finding time for self-care. So Yoga Nidra can offer the simple and accessible practice that can be done in short session. And this will allow the new mothers to carve out moments for themselves and promoting self-nurturing and emotional well-being. So in conclusion, Yoga Nidra is highly beneficial practice for mothers and offers range of physical, emotional, psychological benefits throughout the pregnancy journey. And these deep relaxation techniques can be safely integrated into prenatal care, and it can provide be a valuable tool for enhancing the overall well-being of both mom and the baby. And it's important to know that while Yoga Nidra can be highly beneficial during pregnancy, but pregnant mothers, especially with the mental health history, should consult their healthcare providers before starting this practice. And additionally, practicing Yoga Nidra through a qualified source or guide can really be beneficial for the mothers and will enhance the benefits and ensure the appropriate modifications that are required during each stage of pregnancy. I really hope this contributed to you and you understand the importance of Yoga Nidra now. And Yoga Nidra is kind of compilation of all the methods that we have discussed in the earlier chapters, whether that was body scanning or visualization or breath awareness, or all of that, combination of all of that in one short practice. That's why it's a brilliant practice to do, especially during pregnancy. And it gives benefits of all of the practices at one place. So that's why including Yoga Nidra in your prenatal classes will be a great idea. And also you should introduce practices of Yoga Nidra to mothers at home, and they should practice it daily at least once, if not that, if not twice or more. So with that, I really hope you contribute to many mothers to this. With that, thank you and namaste.